What is up, everybody? Today we are gonna do something a little bit different. We are actually at a racetrack. We're gonna do some drag racing today. It's not quarter-mile based, it's more 200-meter based, which is I think an eighth of a mile. So it's a little bit shorter, but it's still hella fun. So we're gonna enjoy the night. I'm gonna get you guys a few race clips where hopefully I'm gonna be racing. My wife actually, oh gosh, oh, the Subaru just wasted it. Damn, guys, I'm excited. So yeah, my wife, she came along with her Fiesta ST. We just raced. That car is super fast, but I got her on the launch and I just kept her the entire way. That is some videos that I'll show you. Once again, sorry, I don't have like so many cameras and place all the cameras here and there. I'll try to see what I can do, but I don't promise anything really good. But in the future, I will upgrade my camera kits, get a few GoPros and stuff to make it much better for you guys. But for now, let's go see who is racing. It was so much fun to be back at the drag track. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to start. Like literally, I would go back now if I could. It was so good to be out there again and smell the tires and just hear all of these different car noises, and some cars are like ear piercing. And it was just Subaru, whatever you want to call it. I know everyone calls it something else. I call it Subaru. It was firing like crazy. When that thing hits, it's like a rev limiter or its launch limiter or whatever. Goodness, that thing sounded like gunshots, like shotgun shots, like oh my god, you even get like a zing in your ear. All of these things, I've forgotten like how much fun it actually is to be at the drag track again. So obviously I want to go more, and you know what was the thing that I forgot completely? That was like the most funniest thing out there that I don't even know how to explain it to you guys. You'll go up to someone and be like, hey man, that A4 over there, yeah, that A4 is mine. Would you like to race? He's like, yeah, sure thing. What have you done to your car? I'm like, okay, stage 1, downpipe, intake, blower valve, and yeah, there's something else I also did to the car which I did not tell you guys yet. I'm gonna leave it for probably the next video or the video after the next video. I'm still deciding. So yeah, I did a performance mod to my car. Obviously I told him what I did, but I'm not gonna tell you guys. I want you guys to guess what it is. So yeah, then I'll be like, okay, this is what I've done to my car. Now, what have you done to your car? They were like, no, my car is stock standard. I'm not a person who likes to race. I just thought like, come, you know, you get it what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like, they all deny what they have done to their cars until they pull up right next to you and they do like a freaking burnout or something like, oh crap. Dude, this thing is it's got like an engine conversion in it. You want to tell me it's stock standard? So it was so fun, guys. Okay, obviously it did not have an engine conversion in it, but you can see the way they perform. Like this car is not stock standard, unless my car is crap or his car has been done something to it. But yeah, it was so much fun, guys. I really, really enjoyed it. And I also thought about it just now. I used to have the 1.8 turbo B8. Oh my gosh, my arm is getting. Ugh, I tried to record this video like 3 times already, but I keep on getting distracted. So anyway, I did have the 1.8 turbo manual 6-speed before this car, and I actually still have got videos of me racing there at the track. So if you guys would like to see some of those videos, just let me know as well. I don't mind. I'll upload it regardless. It was so much fun to be back there. And then yeah, so there's 2 things I want to talk to you guys quick. It's not going to take too long. The first thing is my performance upgrade, which I told you guys already. I'm going to probably post it in the next video or in the upcoming video after the next video. And the second thing is that my car actually brought up the engine light. Oh, but it wasn't a bad engine light. I saw it coming. I just hope it wouldn't happen, but it happened, unfortunately. So kind of a bit upset about it, but it's not a critical damage. Don't worry. It's not like something is wrong, this car is gonna explode. No, it's nothing like that. So it's something we're gonna fix also in the upcoming videos. I would like to get it sorted and done for. And then the third thing that I was upset about was I never data logged anything, guys. I'm so sorry. I would have enjoyed to data log that and then be able to review the footage afterwards and be like, yeah, at this rate, I saw my car shifted a bit earlier, or this, or you understand, like this race I had so much ignition retardation, or this and this. Yeah, so unfortunately I did not data log that. Next time I'm gonna data log that. I thought to myself, I'm just gonna go and enjoy myself there, and then afterwards I'll just be like, no, I should have data logged. You get it? It's like, yeah. But anyway, guys, it's like when you go to a restaurant, you order this nice plate of food, and you're like, I'm not gonna take a photo of it. And then afterwards, like, I should have took a photo of it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna drop this video right over here. I do hope you guys enjoy the drag racing. Let me know if you want to see more in the upcoming future. I just gotta sort out a few things, but we'll definitely drag race. Oh my gosh, it's a tractor. Oh wow, it's like the second time I see one going past our house. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see all of you guys in my next video. But for now, oh, my arm. Peace out, everyone.